What up, guys? I'm back with another weather update, and I wanted to just let you guys know I don't want to ask for subscribers and all that, but I'd be appreciated if you just tell everybody about my channel, what I'm doing, because I really want to get to 1,000 subscribers so I can actually get a PC and get software for this and be able to give more weather updates and like more future weather and all other stuff that other people have because they have the money to do it. Now I'm not saying that like it's not required, but I really would appreciate if you get me 1,000 subscribers. If you can just tell everybody, or like tell people about my channel, because if I have a PC, I can do more stuff with the weather. Like, I wouldn't just be using this website. I'd be having weather software where I can actually go more deep into doing things. So I really appreciate if you just tell people about my channel and maybe they'll subscribe. It's not required, but I really would appreciate it so I can get a PC and get more weather info and everything else. So I'm gonna get into this video, guys. I'm going to be telling you guys about the storm that has happened. It's getting almost over. I think it's over already. So there's gonna be more coverage on the storm for today. So let's get into the video. So let me look at the charts. Let's see, 2:14, Tuesday, 7 p.m. Alright, so, oh shoot, what the hell? What's going on here? 1 p.m., 4 p.m. Alright, so snow amount. Why is this not going in like it was? Alright, so snow amount, 1.8 inches in Concord, Albany, almost an inch. Really not too much. I think we got about like maybe 2 inches here so far. Really not that much. I don't know if these are the correct numbers because I feel like maybe we got a little bit over an inch, but Burlington, almost an inch. Hartford, an inch. Almost 2 inches. I think we're about to 1.6 inches. 3.6 inches in Boston. And I forecast for Tuesday, 9. Chance of snow, 5%, 9% chance of snow. Around Boston, they got 3.6 inches. So if you were in this spot, you got the sweet spot of the storm, where this purple coloration, almost 4 inches. So wind gust, not too heavy. Maybe 17 miles per hour on the shore of Boston, Hartford. Temperatures in the 20s to 30s. 24 in Burlington, 26. The lowest number we can probably find is 16 over here. And it's Greensville. So by 4 p.m., the snow is on the east side of Portland, Concord, a little bit in Albany, Boston, Hartford, Connecticut. New York didn't really get that much, maybe trace an inch, under an inch or two. Light snow, mixing. So The max temperature was today in 30s, like I said, 16. It's like probably the coldest we're gonna probably get today in Greenville. Hazards right here. I think there's like wind speed. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me see if I can go any farther. Well, I can go on 1 a.m. 7 a.m. This is into Wednesday. So, 1 a.m. Shoot. Am I on? No, I'm on Tuesday. Why was I doing that? Let's try to do this again. So, what is it showing? Okay, I think we're good now. No, it goes back to Tuesday. It doesn't let me go any farther on this. I don't know why. But I'm gonna check the other radar that we have. Hold on, give me a sec, guys. Sorry about this, guys. See, this would be the good thing about having a PC. Just load. I'll share my screen for this once this loads. Alright. Alright, so get rid of this one. Go back here. So this is saying that it's gone out of the area, or if at least it's going east, northeast. Didn't really hit New York, really. Like I said, like, let me look at this, 2 p.m. Yeah, it didn't really hit New York too much. And it's like 3:26 or no, so it's 3:21. It's out of Port Jervis, Fallsburg, Wilkes-Barre. All these maybe scattered snow showers in Williamsport, Lock Haven, State College, or all over here. Some flurries, maybe heavy at times in this heavy dark spots. But now it's over in Poughkeepsie, Newburgh, New Milford, Hartford, a little bit into Connecticut. It's just moving northeast. Boston's getting a heavy snow band. And then my 5, still lingering. Let's just like let it loop for a sec. Until 9 p.m. That's all I can go for. Oh, we might be getting little clips on and off all day, but the heaviest snow is gone out of the Hudson Valley. Say it's just moving away north. Moving northeast. Starts to move out of Poughkeepsie around 6. 7 o'clock, it's all the way up out of Poughkeepsie. And it's starting to get out of Hartford, 7:30. everybody in Newburgh, New Milford, Bridgeport, they're all done. Then it starts to move in by 8:30. It's out of Springfield, Hartford, almost out of Boston. It's just, yep. So by 9 o'clock, it moves offshore, or off, moves all off land, and goes north. So, this is basically it. Not too much today. We might have another chance to get snow on Thursday and Friday, I think. When it starts to move into the ocean by 9 o'clock. Starts to move all the way out, goes north. So this is going to be it for this weather update. Like I said, can you please tell people about my channel and to subscribe if they can, so maybe I can get to that 1,000 subscribers. I'd really appreciate it. And I'm going to end this one for right now. So, bye.